When it comes to selecting a new car, safety is undoubtedly one of the most important factors that buyers consider. As the automotive industry advances, manufacturers are increasingly prioritizing safety, and Toyota's latest model, the 2025 Camry, is no exception. This sedan has recently garnered impressive accolades in safety performance, positioning it as one of the safest options in its class. Let's dive into why the 2025 Toyota Camry should be on every safety-conscious buyer's radar, with detailed insights into the extensive testing and features that set it apart. Impressive safety ratings from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. The 2025 Toyota Camry has earned top safety ratings from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, a well-respected organization that conducts rigorous crash tests to assess vehicle safety. In the updated moderate overlap front crash test, the Camry secured a good rating, which is the highest achievable score. This rating demonstrates the sedan's excellent structural integrity and its ability to manage crash energy effectively, ensuring the best possible outcome in the event of an accident. However, no car is perfect, and the Camry's crash test performance revealed minor issues. During the rear passenger dummy test, the head of the passenger moved slightly closer to the front seat back, which could increase the potential risk of head injury in the event of a crash. Thankfully, injury values from the test still indicated a low risk of harm to the head, neck, and chest areas. Furthermore, the seatbelt remained optimally positioned, providing effective restraint, while the lap belt stayed securely in place over the pelvis, significantly reducing the chance of abdominal injuries. Overall, the Toyota Camry 2025 has demonstrated its capability to protect passengers, with minimal injury risk and well-designed restraint systems. These features make it a standout choice for families and individuals who prioritize safety in their vehicle. Active safety features. Toyota's commitment to passenger safety extends beyond just crash test results. The 2025 Camry has been equipped with state-of-the-art active safety technologies designed to prevent accidents before they even occur. The IIHS front crash prevention test evaluates a car's ability to prevent frontal collisions with other vehicles or pedestrians, and the 2025 Camry excelled in this area as well. Equipped with an automatic emergency braking system and forward collision warning, the Camry successfully avoided collisions in all speed tests, including those at 31, 37, and 43 miles per hour. The vehicle's safety systems even prevented crashes with both passenger vehicles and motorcycles, which are common hazards on the road. In each of these tests, the Camry system issued timely warnings, giving the driver a crucial heads-up before a potential collision, further preventing the impact. Thanks to its active safety systems, the 2025 Toyota Camry earned a good rating in the vehicle-to-vehicle crash prevention category, making it a reliable choice for preventing accidents and enhancing overall road safety. A top performer in global safety testing. In addition to the rigorous Insurance Institute for Highway Safety tests, the 2025 Toyota Camry also received top marks from Australasian New Car Assessment Program in 2024, which evaluates vehicle safety performance in the Australian and New Zealand markets. The Camry earned an overall weighted safety score of 88.4%, placing it at the top of all models assessed by Australasian New Car Assessment Program in 2024. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Camry's performance was its exceptional 95% score for adult occupant protection. This was the highest score achieved by any vehicle tested by Australasian New Car Assessment Program that year, reflecting Toyota's dedication to ensuring that adult passengers are well protected in the event of a crash. The Camry also received high ratings in various crash tests, including side impact, oblique pole, whiplash, and far side impact tests. These results indicate that the Camry provides outstanding protection across multiple types of accidents, whether it's a side collision or a rear-end crash. The Camry's impressive performance across all categories solidifies its reputation as a top performer in safety and sets a high standard for vehicles in the same class. Child occupant protection. When it comes to families, the 2025 Toyota Camry is an excellent choice. The car provides good protection for child occupants, earning an 87% score in the child occupant protection category. In testing, the Camry delivered strong head protection for child passengers during both frontal and side crashes. Furthermore, the vehicle accommodates a wide range of child restraint systems, ensuring that parents can secure their little ones safely in the back seat. While most baby and booster seats fit well in the Camry's rear seats, a few models didn't fit perfectly in some positions, which is something families should be aware of when selecting child safety seats for their vehicle. Nonetheless, the Camry remains an exceptional choice for parents who want a sedan that offers both adult and child safety. A step ahead in vulnerable road user safety. In addition to safeguarding its own passengers, the 2025 Toyota Camry is equipped with safety features aimed at protecting pedestrians and cyclists, vulnerable road users who are often at risk in collisions. The Camry scored an impressive 84% in the vulnerable road user protection category, thanks to its autonomous emergency braking system. This system is designed to detect pedestrians and cyclists in the vehicle's path and reduce the likelihood of an accident. While the system worked well in most situations, it's worth noting that the vehicle's reverse function, which is designed to avoid collisions when backing up, was not tested by ANCAP. This system is not activated by default, and thus the Camry's performance in these scenarios remains unverified. Advanced safety assist systems. Safety in the 2025 Toyota Camry extends beyond crash tests and active safety features. The vehicle comes equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems that help keep drivers safe on the road. Scoring 81% in the safety assist category, the Camry includes autonomous emergency braking, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, and emergency lane keeping. These systems work together to reduce the likelihood of accidents and assist the driver in maintaining control of the vehicle. The Camry also features a speed assistance system that uses speed sign recognition to help drivers maintain safe speeds. These features ensure that the Camry not only protects its occupants in the event of a crash, but also helps prevent accidents from occurring in the first place. Airbags and restraint systems. The 2025 Toyota Camry is equipped with a full range of airbags to protect passengers in the event of a crash. These include dual front airbags, side chest airbags, side head airbags, and a driver's knee airbag. Additionally, the Camry features a center airbag that provides extra protection for front passengers during side impacts. With this comprehensive array of airbags and restraints, the Camry provides a higher level of protection for all passengers. The 2025 Toyota Camry, a leader in safety. The 2025 Toyota Camry is undoubtedly one of the safest sedans on the market today. With its impressive performance in both crash tests and active safety technology, it offers exceptional protection for both adult and child passengers. The vehicle's robust safety features, including its automatic emergency braking system, lane keeping assist, and pedestrian protection, make it an ideal choice for safety-conscious buyers. Toyota's commitment to safety is evident in every aspect of the 2025 Camry, from its structural integrity to its advanced driver assistance systems. Whether you're driving through busy city streets or cruising on the highway, the Camry ensures that you and your passengers are well protected at all times. For anyone looking for a reliable, safe, and well-equipped sedan, the 2025 Toyota Camry should be at the top of your list. With its combination of top-tier crash test ratings, innovative safety technologies, and impressive crash prevention systems, it's a vehicle that prioritizes peace of mind on the road. So, what are you waiting for? If you're in the market for a safe and reliable sedan, the 2025 Toyota Camry is the car you can trust to keep you and your loved ones safe. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth car reviews and safety insights. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay safe on the road, and we'll see you in the next video.